तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
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 भजुरे विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
भजुरे विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
भजुरे विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
भजुरे विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
भजुरे विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
भजुरे विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
भजुरे विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
भजुरे विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
भजुरे विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे
विघ्नेश्वरं भजुरे मानस विघ्नहरं भजुरे।
दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु
दत्तात्रेय गुरु
साईनाथ गुरु
साईनाथ गुरु
दत्त गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु
दत्तात्रेय गुरु
साईनाथ दीनानाथ ब्रह्मरूप गुरु
साईनाथ दीनानाथ ब्रह्मरूप गुरु
दत्त गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु
दत्तात्रेय गुरु
अलख निरंजन भव भय भंजन दत्तात्रेय गुरु
अलख निरंजन भव भय भंजन दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु
साईनाथ गुरु दत्त गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु
त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी सदानन्दरूपिणि साईश्वरी सदानन्दरूपिणि साईश्वरी त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी कारुण्यलावण्य कादम्बरी कारुण्यलावण्य कादम्बरी पर्तेश्वरी अम्ब शिवशङ्करी पर्तेश्वरी अम्ब शिवशङ्करी त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी सदानन्दरूपिणि साईश्वरी त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी कारुण्यलावण्य कादम्बरी पर्तेश्वरी अम्ब शिवशङ्करी पर्तेश्वरी अम्ब शिवशङ्करी त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी
सुंदर सुंदर नाचे सुंदर साई घनश्याम सुंदर सुंदर नाचे सुंदर साई घनश्याम नाचे रे साई सुंदर श्याम नाचे रे साई सुंदर श्याम रुमक झुमक झुम घुंघरू बाजे नाचे घनश्याम रुमक झुमक झुम घुंघरू बाजे नाचे घनश्याम नाचे नटवर साई सुंदर मेरे साई राम
तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
शरण में ले लो साईं प्रभो।
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 साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साईं।
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 तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा।
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 तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साईं।
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 दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
शरण में ले लो साईं प्रभो।
शरण में ले लो साईं प्रभो।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साईं।
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साईं।
तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा।
तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा।
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साईं।
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साईं।
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
राम राम जय राजा राम। राम राम जय सीता राम। राम राम जय राजा राम। राम राम शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया
गजानना सदया जय जय
गजानना सदया जय जय
गजानना सदया
गजानना सदया
वरद गणेशा दुरित विनाशा
वरद गणेशा दुरित विनाशा
वरद गणेशा दुरित विनाशा
वरद गणेशा दुरित विनाशा
प्रणवाकारा नाथ सदया
प्रणवाकारा नाथा सदया
प्रणवाकारा नाथ सदया
प्रणवाकारा नाथा सदया
गजानना सदया जय जय
गजानना सदया जय जय
गजानना सदया
गजानना सदया
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया
कुमारा गौरी तनया
गजानना सदया जय जय
सदया जय जय
वरद गणेशा दुरित विनाशा
वरद गणेशा दुरित विनाशा
प्रणवाकारा नाथ सदया
प्रणवाकारा नाथा सदया
गजानना सदया जय जय
गजानना सदया जय जय
गजानना सदया
गजानना सदया
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया
वनमाली वासुदेवा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा वनमाली वासुदेवा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसि जनयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसि जनयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसि जनयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा वनमाली वासुदेवा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सर सरसिज नयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसिज नयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसिज नयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा 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 हरि 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 राधा रमणा राधा रमणा वनमाली वासुदेवा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा
You know, Swami says this beautiful quote, and this is a quote that we will see time and again in many of the quotes that we will be presenting today. Swami says, spread joy at all times. Do not pour into others' ears your tales of woe and worry. Carry a smile on your face so that everyone who sees you can catch that exhilaration.
Wow. In fact, in Prema Vahini, Bhagwan very, very powerfully, Swami says that it is best that the sadhaka under all circumstances is joyful, smiling and enthusiastic. In fact, Swami says this noble attitude is superior to even bhakti and jnana. And I think this is a very, very powerful statement that Swami is making. Swami is telling you may follow the path of karma, bhakti, jnana, but if you are joyful, this is even greater than all the three paths.
Yes, wow, fantastic. In fact, this is another very beautiful clipping of Bhagwan that we have often heard But any number of times that we hear it, it always brings a smile on our face, which is when, he says in his birthday discourse, everybody tells me, happy birthday, happy birthday. Swami is always happy, right? That is pretty much the crux of being God, which is to always be in Ananda. So let us enjoy this beautiful clip of Bhagwan. It's a short one, but an absolutely sweet one.
వెరీ 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 హ్యాపీ. చాలా మంది స్వామి హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అని అన్నారు విదేశీయులు.
Foreigners said, Swami, happy birthday.
నేను ఐఎమ్ ఆల్వేస్ హ్యాపీ.
Bhagavan is always happy.
కానీ హ్యాపీ మీలో లేరు, మీరే బీ హ్యాపీ అన్నారు.
Since you don't have happiness, Bhagavan blesses you so that you would be
నాకు
happy.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చెప్పనక్కర్లేదు.
You don't need to wish Bhagavan happy birthday.
ఒక్కొక్క సెకండ్ నేను హ్యాపీగానే ఉంటాను.
Bhagavan is happy every second.
మీరు సంవత్సరానికి కూతురు హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అంటారు.
You say once a
ఈ
year.
హ్యాపీ కోసం నేను సంవత్సరం వరకు కాచుకోను.
Bhagavan does not need to wait for one full year so as to be greeted.
క్షణం కూడా నువ్వు హ్యాపీనే ఉంటుంటారు.
Every moment he is happy.
మీరు కూడాను క్షణం కూడాను హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుండి, హెల్తీగా ఉంటుండి, ఈ ప్రేమ అనేటువంటి యొక్క వరప్రసాదాన్ని ప్రపంచానికి పంచి మీ జీవితాన్ని సార్థకం చేసుకోండి.
Bhagavan blesses you so that you would be happy every minute of your life by sharing the love with everyone.
So that is how Swami is. I think that is what Bhagwan is, and Swami is telling every second he's happy. He doesn't have to wait for an event to be happy. And I think we as Sai devotees, as Sai youth, as Sai Balvika children, if we have to imbibe something, I think this is the Sai-ness that we have to imbibe when we say we are Sai youth, is that joy that Bhagwan is all the time. And I was thinking, how we can cultivate this. I think there are little things that we can do. Swami used to always say that the mark of a spiritual person, the mark of a Sai devotee is that joy. You should always speak softly, sweetly, you should speak in a manner that the other person wants to listen. For example, if someone, calls us, when we take the phone, we can always say, hi, Sai Ram. Yes, Sai Ram, how are you? Or we can say, Sai Ram, how are you? I think, it makes so much difference. We are a Sevadal, and, if you are doing that security duty, especially in these days, you see when we enter the mandir, the Sevadal there, Sai Ram he does, you feel so welcome. And I think in little things that we are doing, we can always see how to add joy, isn't it?
Absolutely. It brings my mind to bhajan singing.
Oh yes.
Right. Oftentimes, bhajan singing is supposed to fill our lives with joy. But many times it can be something which is very stressful because if you have not learned the bhajan properly. So just imagine, you want to sing a bhajan like Ananda Ram, Ananda Sham, which is joyous Rama,
yes,
joyous Shama. So just see the difference between if you were to sing something like this bhajan, Ananda Ram, Ananda Sham, right? Versus you just bring a smile on the face and sing the same bhajan. Ananda Ram, Ananda Sham. And you'll see that even in the pronunciation, a smile brings a more wholesomeness to the way you sing bhajan. Right? So even in bhajan singing, we can bring joy.
I think when the listener is listening, they can listen to the smile also, actually.
Yes, true.
I think that is how beautiful things become when you add that element of smile and sweetness to everything that we do. In fact, I was thinking, even in normal conversations, for example, if someone says something unpleasant, if suppose someone says, hey, look at you, man, you're balding, you're losing your hair. Suppose someone says like that, I can always say, oh wow, this is giving you so much joy. I don't mind it, if it is giving you
the shine on my head is bringing a smile on your face.
So it's okay, I love it. Or someone can say, hey, you're a boring personality. I can say, oh, you know what, I am actually boring into your personality to bring out those precious jewels of tolerance and patience. So how are you doing?
Yes. So we can convert a pessimistic situation into an optimistic situation just by being part of the solution and not the problem.
Yes.
And every solution brings joy because solution inherently helps us overcome something. So can we be a part of the solution, right? Can we start every conversation and end every conversation? We are not saying that there won't be disagreements. There will be disagreements. There may be arguments also. But I'm sure we can do it in a loving way. We can do it in a civil way such that it does not carry forward. right, by ending a particular conversation. So just like we said, you begin a conversation happily, can you end a conversation with a smile?
Yes.
Oftentimes in the organization, we end it with a prayer, right? And a prayer kind of subdues everything. Maybe just have a smile on your face saying, Swami, whatever the study circle or whatever this bhajan, whatever arguments we've had, I offer it at your lotus feet, and this is where it ends.
And I think living joyfully is to convert everything into a compliment. Everything that happens is a compliment.
Yes.
In fact, once when Bhagwan came to the Institute auditorium, Bhagwan made a very powerful statement. You know what you were saying before, to take Bhagwan as a friend. I think we should listen to this clip where Swami is speaking to the management students, and what Swami is saying is so profound.
This is what Swami wants. ఎందుకంటే ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ గా మీరు ఉండకూడదు. ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ మీరు ఉంటే నేను ఫాలో చేయను.
You don't stand in front of me. I am not prepared to follow you.
లేక బిహైండ్ మీ అంటే నేను మిమ్మల్ని లీడ్ చేయను.
You don't stand behind Swami also. Swami is not prepared to lead that way.
కారణం ఏమిటి?
What is the reason?
అనగా ఆత్మ సమత్వమైనటువంటిది.
There is equality between Atma in one.
I and you are one.
The reason is I and you are one.
So that is what Swami is telling us, that you take me as your friend. You know, once Swami said, do you know what is it that gives God the greatest joy? And here I really want to quote Swami. Swami says, it is only when God is regarded as a friend that he is pleased the most. And Swami says, when you address him as, oh my dearest friend, my beloved one, the darling of my heart, when you say that, then you are giving God the greatest joy.
In fact, in the Navavida Bhakti, the penultimate stage of devotion is Sakhya Bhakti, which is friendship, building a friendship with God. And Swami himself is saying that
you make God a companion and then go to the stage of union with God.
Yes.
And you know, if you see in our life also, with whom do we really have great moments of laughter? With our friend, right? Or rather, the one with whom we have great moments of laughter is our friend.
Yes.
And how beautiful it will be once you make God your friend. Make God every moment of your life, you know, take him with you. And I think then we will see that we'll have all the strength and we'll have all the smiles. In fact, whatever we have tried to do today is just to share how Bhagwan is Ananda Swarupa. He is that infinite reservoir of joy. He can create joy out of anything. And we as Sai devotees also can learn these little lessons so that we also can become little storehouses of this Ananda that Bhagwan is. Dear brothers and sisters, this was a small attempt to share just a few anecdotes. There are so many, but the whole endeavor was to let you know that as Sai devotees, we have to lead a joyful lives. In our previous session, where we were talking about meditation, you know, we shared how Bhagwan said, even when you're doing dhyana, you should do it joyfully. And I hope you are using those guided meditation sessions and the other, this at Bhagwan's lotus feet. And take your leave. We request you to enjoy this video of Bhagwan and spend your time in beautiful joy that Bhagwan is. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
यादों के सफर में दिल चलने लगा है, फूलों के इन बगियों में मन टहलने चला है। यादों के सफर में दिल चलने लगा है, फूलों की इन बगियों में मन टहलने चला है। कुछ तो है इन ख्वाबों में दिल से निकलते नहीं, कुछ तो है इन राहों में मिलती यहाँ हर खुशी। अब इन लम्हों के बाद बारिश में भीगने चला हूँ मैं, यादों के सफर में दिल चलने लगा है, फूलों के बगियों में मन टहलने चला है।
నేను పుట్టింది ఆదివారం. ఆగస్ట్ 15
याद आती है वो हंसी तेरी और आंखों से बातें जो तुमने की, याद आती है शरारतें तेरी और प्यार भरी वो करारतें तेरी। ये यादें लगती है जैसे बातें आज की, ये बातें लगती है जैसे यादें आज की। अब इन लम्हों के बारिश में भीगने चला हूँ मैं, यादों के सफर में दिल चलने लगा है। हर मोड़ पे तेरा सहारा मिला, तेरे आंचल में मुझको बसेरा मिला, हर काम में तेरा भरोसा मिला, हर पल हर क्षण तेरा ही प्यार मिला। कैसा ये जुनू है जो तुझसे अब जुड़ गया, कैसा ये सुकून है जो इनसे अब मिल गया। अब इन लम्हों के बारिश में भीगने चला हूँ मैं, यादों के सफर में दिल चलने लगा है, फूलों के बगियों में मन टहलने चला है। कुछ तो है इन ख्वाबों में दिल से निकलते नहीं, कुछ तो है इन राहों में मिलती यहाँ हर खुशी। अब इन लम्हों के बारिश में भीगने चला हूँ मैं, यादों के सफर में दिल चलने लगा है, फूलों की बगियों में मन टहलने चला है।
ब्रह्ममस्तु यः
तु आत्मलिङ्ग शिव तु स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकर सर्व प्राणपते स्वामी सर्व प्राणपते कल्पलदीपा आवद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल हारति अंधुक मंगल हारति अंधुक मंगल गिरिधारी ॐ जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण शांति 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 सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई महाराज की
समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु